Okay, this is how to do the layouts for a particular book. So for this example, we'll do the A4 portrait. So if you go to template, soft cover, A4 soft cover, scroll down, theme and design. Click on this. Now what you see is two main sections. One is pages. So what pages is that when the customer opens a book from the beginning, it shows all these spreads. So spread 1, 2, the cover. So cover is here. Spread 1, spread 2, spread 3, spread 4, spread 5. But what happens after spread 5 is that it repeats itself again. So let's scroll here, see how it repeats itself. So, but you don't need to worry about this because we can all change, mix around. So this is the section where pages shows what the customer sees when they open the book. And we have another section called layout. Layout is all the selections that you see here. So all the stuff. Okay, so in the layout section, there are a few important things. So for example, you get a preview and then you get the tags. So what tags is that whatever you type in here, it will appear here. So one photo per spread, it will group things together. So let's say 3 photo per page is here. So it will group these two layouts together. So I've made a typo. So what I do is I say 3 photos per spread. So I'm just going to add it, delete the old one. Okay. So I've created 2 masters here. I'll show you what it's there. It's basically to help you guide you on placing the items on the page. So we're about to create, let's now create a new layout. So what we're going to do is click on edit. Sorry, let me go back. It's wrong. So before we create a new layout, all you need to do is pick any one here. I just pick a blank one. It doesn't matter, whatever you do, just pick one. Say make layout. And then you see, because I click spread 5, this is duplicated here. So whatever the name that is in here doesn't really matter. Don't worry about it. So, okay, let's say now I want to create 4 photos per spread. Edit. And I click on edit. Well, one should appear here. Not too sure why, but guys, click on edit. There should be a blank page that appears at the back. So we're going to do 4 squares. So I'm just going to put this layout, go to the master. I'm going to drop this in here. So to help me to guide where I put the boxes. Next, I go to images. I say add image box. Put it wherever I want to. Control C, Control V. Makes it easy. The keyboard. Now, once I'm done with this, I need to manually delete the guidelines. So I just click on it, and on the keyboard, just click delete. Or you can use this delete button here. Once you're done, save and exit. Okay, so what you see here now is your 4 photos per spread. So let's go test it out. Just gonna refresh the page. Let's go to an empty page, go to layouts, and you see 4 photos per spread. Drop it in. Now, so if you see here, when we open the book, page 5 and page 6 is empty. So what we want to do is we want to, let's say we want to make page 5 and 6 have that 4 squares. All we need to do is, so this is cover, spread 1, spread 2, spread 3. We say, okay, we add it. Spread 3. We drop the layout into here. Save and exit. So now 5 and 6 is empty, but let's see what happens. Refresh the page. So what I did just now is I go to the developers mode, go to more tools here. So the shortcut is Control-Shift-I. And then you do, you hold this button here, the refresh button, and say empty cache and hard reload. I usually do this so that just in case I'm making too many layouts, it will make sure that it will be the most updated version. Don't need to do it every time. So as you can see, page 5 and 6 now have this 4 squares here. Okay, so let's say now in the cover looks shit, you know, doesn't have any, it's only one big picture. So I want to modify it. Just make something nice. But before that, let's see, if there's no guide, it's very difficult. So what I'm going to do is I am going to just drop a guide to help me. So I'm just going to drop this. You can also got the thirds if you want to. So whatever you want. So I'm just going to say, put a nice box in the middle. And then maybe another image box. Something like a 4x6. Something here, like that. The middle. Add some text. Change the font. Something. So my photo book cover. Okay. Center the text. Maybe at the end. You can copy and paste, I think. Control C, Control V. my back. Okay. So now save and exit. And let's test it out again. I'm just going to refresh it because tonight I've done a lot. Design now. There you go. Look at this photo book. Okay, that's it.